Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And this case is made by Tozo. It's a new hybrid case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, we got the plastic off. Let's go ahead and put the device inside, see how it looks. So nice tight fit. And it's got some grip, so it's not too slippery. Matte size is not as sticky as the back, but it's not real slippery either. Doesn't add too much bulk, and it looks good. Okay, now you see the camera is well protected there. Now you don't have any, well, you do have a little bit of raised area right here on the corners. You can see that. That's going to protect the back of the case, okay? And that's on the bottom as well. It's raised up. It's subtle, but it's there. You can see that right there. All right, so that's pretty cool. But other than that, pretty minimal. You can see through the back of the case to see the Apple logo there and see your device. Now, the front of the case, you got a little bit of a lip there, not too much. I like that, but it's not enough to keep the screen off the surface. And you got your volume down rocker right here, your mute switch, power button works, no problem there. And you got your opening, all that lines up pretty well, okay? So nice looking case, and it feels pretty good in the hand, and not too bulky, all right? So it fits pretty well. Let's go ahead and check out wireless charge. Okay, we got the wireless charger here. Let's put this on, see what happens. Okay, so wireless charge pops up, no problem. It's gonna work pretty well. Okay, you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Tozo compatible for iPhone 12 Pro Max case, hybrid, PC, TPU soft, grip, matte finish, clear back panel, thin cover with black border, okay? $12.99, and you got a coupon right there. You get 10% off, all right? So Tozo makes pretty good cases, and so I've used them before. So we're gonna go ahead and check this one out. Now, I'll put the link in the description for you if you wanna get it. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Tozo hybrid case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Pretty good case, decent price as well, and it fits the device pretty good, all right? Now, if you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.